My dad's in town, so I want to make him crispy pork belly. Cut some slits into this about 1 inch apart. I'll have the measurements for this marinade listed down below. Make sure you get in between the booty cracks. Flip this over. Get the skin as dry as your elbows. Now we need to form a little boat around this. I'll have the measurements for this listed down below, but we're gonna brush this all over the skin. Refrigerate this uncovered for at least 4 hours. It's been more than 4 hours, and we know that because I'm wearing a long sleeve, but this is our pork belly. And now we're gonna bake this skin side down. This is what it looks like after it's done baking. Any part that's burning, you can just cover it with foil. I, in fact, did not take my own advice, so don't be like me. It's burnt. The incisions that we made, we're just going to cut it right down that line. Let's cut this off, because who's gonna want to eat that? Not me. Oh, it's hot. I got mom hands. My mom's here, so I gotta get rid of all the burnt pieces. She gets hella mad when I eat anything burnt, like hella mad. I really am the best. Come on, man. Yeah, come on, back.